Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need the Pro model and current iOS. That's non-negotiable. First, check your iPhone model and update to the latest iOS. This unlocks the ProRes option. Next, free up space. ProRes files are large, so make sure you have room before recording. Then, go to Settings, Camera, Formats, and turn on Apple ProRes. Once done, open the Camera app and switch to video mode so you can start configuring frame size and frame rate. Now you dial in quality and performance. You should pick 4K only if you have storage, otherwise choose 1080p to save space. Then select your desired frame rate. 30 FPS is a good balance. 60 FPS looks smoother but doubles file size. Make sure the ProRes indicator appears on the screen. If it's grayed out, your settings or available storage are blocking it. Once everything reads active, frame your shot and tap record. When you finish, review the clip in Photos to confirm ProRes is recorded. The file size will be noticeably larger. To keep the full quality file, export using AirDrop to a Mac, save to files with iCloud Drive, or transfer via Finder. Those preserve ProRes. If you need smaller files, convert on your computer, not on the phone. If ProRes won't enable, make sure you have enough free space, restart the iPhone, and confirm your iOS is up to date. Those steps usually fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.